Hey, how's it going? So directly behind me is the Griddle, which is a stainless steel griddle with a very nice cast iron piece underneath to make all the cooking even. And I'm going to show you what I think is the most important thing for any griddle owner, especially with the Griddle, and that's heat control. You need to know what temperature everything's cooking at. And it's a little different because this one is stainless steel, and some of the more, uh, you know, residential models like Blackstone and stuff, they're not stainless steel. So you actually can't use an infrared thermometer. I'm going to show you that right now. So we've been heating this thing up. We got it on high for about 10 minutes. And you can see here what I have is actually a surface thermometer. And you can see, you can barely see that red. It's very hot. It's about 425. So that's a little hotter than you're normally going to do most things. So I'm going to turn it down to low. We might put some stuff on later. But the main thing I really wanted to show you is a lot of times with griddles, you'll want an infrared thermometer. Like one of these that you'll just check your temperature while you're cooking. But because it's stainless steel, for some odd reason, it just doesn't read. It doesn't bounce off the infrared. So it's going to keep telling you it's at 200 and you're going to go, oh, this isn't right. You know, my griddle's not hot enough. But when you put them next to each other, you can see that that one's at 425 and that's at 211. So again, 425, right next to it, 190. So it doesn't matter where you're at on the grill. Move it over here and almost up to 450 there. Barely see that. And it's 209. So the most important thing is getting the proper temperature, and that means getting the proper thermometer.